What's up, Car Culture fam? Welcome back to Car Culture TV, your one-stop shop for all things automotive. Today, we're diving deep into a beast that's breaking the internet, the Nissan GT-R R36 2025 custom wide-body kit by Hycade. A car so aggressive, it looks like it came straight out of a video game. Buckle up as we unpack everything you need to know about this jaw-dropping ride. Let's go. First things first, let's talk about the base of this monster, the Nissan GT-R R36, the long-awaited successor to the legendary R35. Nissan's iconic GT-R lineup has always been about delivering supercar performance with everyday usability, and the R36 takes it to a whole new level. Under the hood, we're looking at a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid engine that pumps out an insane 710 horsepower and 652 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a cutting-edge 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and an updated all-wheel drive system, this car is engineered to dominate the streets and the track. But this isn't just a stock R36, oh no. Hycade has taken the GT-R and given it the wide-body treatment of a lifetime, transforming an already mean machine into an absolute masterpiece. Let's get into the details. Let's talk about that wide-body design. Hycade's custom kit takes the GT-R R36 and turns it into a visual predator. Look at those flared fenders. The wider stance isn't just for looks, it adds real aerodynamic benefits. The sharp lines, aggressive splitter, and massive rear diffuser scream track ready. The centerpiece. That wing. This isn't your everyday spoiler, it's an active aero masterpiece designed to keep the car glued to the ground at high speeds. And those wheels, 21-inch forged alloys, wrapped in sticky Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, complete the menacing look. With its stealthy matte black finish and contrasting red accents, this car doesn't just turn heads, it breaks necks. Step inside, and the R36 by Hycade continues to impress. The cabin is a perfect mix of luxury and performance. The Alcantara-wrapped bucket seats offer supreme support while keeping you locked in during spirited drives. Tech-wise, you get a massive 12.3-inch digital driver display and a 10-inch infotainment system with all the latest features, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even performance telemetry. The carbon fiber accents and custom red stitching add a sporty touch that matches the aggressive exterior. Hycade didn't just stop at visuals, they've integrated custom lighting elements into the interior that sync with the drive mode. It's like sitting in a cockpit ready for battle. Now, you might think a car this aggressive sacrifices comfort, but Nissan's engineers have outdone themselves. The adaptive suspension adjusts perfectly to road conditions. In comfort mode, the GT-R feels surprisingly refined. It can easily handle daily commutes without rattling your bones. But flip it into race mode, and it's a different story. The suspension stiffens, the steering becomes razor sharp, and you feel every ounce of its performance DNA. This is the dual personality of the GT-R. It can be your tame daily driver or your wild weekend warrior. Performance is where the R36 shines, and with Hycade's tweaks, it's on another level. 0 to 60, 2.6 seconds. Top speed, over 210 miles per hour. This thing is blisteringly fast. Handling is razor sharp thanks to the wider track and advanced aerodynamics. The all-wheel drive system ensures insane grip, while the massive Brembo carbon ceramic brakes bring you to a stop in no time. Whether you're carving through corners or launching it on a straight, the R36 by Hycade delivers a visceral experience you'll never forget. So, what's the final verdict? The Nissan GT-R R36 2025 custom wide-body kit by Hycade is more than just a car, it's a statement. It combines jaw-dropping aesthetics, cutting-edge tech, and mind-blowing performance into one cohesive package. It's proof that the GT-R legacy is alive and well, ready to dominate the next generation. If you're a fan of bold designs, heart-pounding speed, and tuning culture, this is the car for you. Hycade has taken an already iconic platform and elevated it to new heights. This is not just a car, it's art on wheels. That's it for today, Car Culture fam. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of this Hycade GT-R? Is it the ultimate wide-body supercar, or would you change anything? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to join the Car Culture community. Until next time, keep the revs high and the vibes higher. Peace.